So here we have a common fault on an eye chiller, AEFL, and it'll be flashing flow as well. This can either be a low level alarm or an alarm coming from your flow switch if you've installed one linked to your eye chiller. If an AEFL alarm comes up and you have a manual filament vent tank installed, you can easily check the level from looking through the opaque section of your tank and making sure that the valve is open to the evaporator inside. If you have level inside the tank, you have level inside your evaporator. If there is no level that you can see with inside the tank, then remove the screw cap and fill from the top.